Gun review time of the Springfield Echelon, brand new gun I just bought, and today's the first time that I've ever shot it. So let's pull this bad boy out. Let's talk about it real quick. This is a 9mm, and let me pull up my softy so I'm not screaming as much. 9mm. The majority of the guns I own are 9mm just because the bullet technology these days is awesome, and 9mm is going to stop pretty much anything I need to stop. So almost every pistol I own, besides my 1911s, is a 9mm. I use Spear, Gold Dot, or Hornady for my ammo. So this Springfield Echelon, this is, I believe it's 17 plus 1, so I have 18 rounds. What I like about this when I first picked it up is the grippiness. So it's got good grip, good ergonomics, and you can see that it's got the little grippiness stippling right up here too, where I rest my index finger when obviously I'm not shooting. So it's got the same thing. Let me flip it around. It's got the same thing on the other side, the stippling here. So it's got a good grip. It has the U-dot rear sight. I know some people hate this, but it doesn't mean anything to me. I mean, I don't care. So nothing like, oh, it's so much better or whatever. I shoot the same. You know, iron sights are iron sights to me. So the sights are fine. I have no problem with that. Now, when it comes to these polymer guns, I want to make sure the trigger's good. So we got our very super redneck, what did I do with my softy foam here? Where did I put that? We'd have our very redneck shooting range, as you can see today. And now I'm fishing around for my softy. Let me put this in, because when it comes to polymer guns, Glock triggers suck. I don't care what he says. I do not like Glock triggers. Walther are some of my favorite triggers when it comes to these polymer guns. So I'm going to take a slow. I want to go real slow here. Just see how that, I mean, that's nice. That feels good. What we did is we were taking headshots there. I don't even know if you can see them. All right, so we got some headshots right in this area here. I guess that guy's dead, but the trigger's good and smooth. It's not like a Glock trigger, which I detest. Not as smooth as a Walther trigger, but I like that. I'm gonna do a few more shots here just for the fun of it. We'll come out here, we'll fire a little bit more. Good sight picture on that. You've obviously got the front sight, which stands out and everything. So, I mean, this is a quick review, only because it's raining and wet. We've been out here for a while, and it's also freezing. But yes, I like this. Pretty much every polymer gun that comes out these days is what I say is a better version of the Glock. Is like what the Glock should be now. And yes, I know the Glock fanboys are gonna send me a bunch of hate mail and angry messages, so please bring it on. But again, today's the first time shooting this. So far, so good. I'd use this for home defense. I'd carry it. It's not very heavy. It's not like a boat anchor like my Sig Sauer, what is it, the X Sig Sauer P320 Legion. Great gun. I love that Sig Sauer P320 Legion, but that sucker's a boat anchor. This is not super heavy, but it feels good in the hand. It shoots good. So yeah, check out the Springfield Echelon perhaps, because this is the first Springfield besides the 1911 that I've owned. That's it for today.